Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Uphold to your Kraken wallet. Now step 1 is just open the Uphold application inside your mobile phone, and once you're at the home section, so just click on this option which is called transact or transaction. You might be seeing similar option. So just choose this option, and once you click here you will be seeing like this pop up. Inside this, just make sure to select source, which is like the your currency or coin that you want to send. So just click on select source, and once you click here you can just select the XRP or any other coin or currency that you want to send. So just select it, and this is the basically select destination, like in which currency or in which amount do you want to send to the second wallet. So just click on select destination, and from here you can just choose the same coin or any other currency that you want to transfer to the other wallet. So let's say I want to choose XRP. So once XRP is selected, make sure to enter the amount, like how much do you want to transfer from your Uphold account to Kraken wallet or any other wallet. So enter the amount, and once the amount is entered, so just click on preview withdrawal, and once you click on preview withdrawal, you'll seeing these two options, like make sure you enter an XRP ledger wallet address. So this address is basically copied from the second wallet where you want to transfer your crypto or XRP. So make sure to go to the second application, in our case, like which is like the Kraken. So make sure to open the application and just click on the XRP. If you're not able to see it, just click on the plus button or add assets button. And once you click on add asset, make sure to turn this option on, which is XRP in our case. So just turn this option on and you will be able to see the coin in this list. So just click on the coin that you want to receive. And after that, you will see these two options. First is receive and the second one is send. So just click on the receive button. And once you click on receive, you will be able to see the address of XRP. So just copy the address and go back to the Uphold account and just paste the address into this section. Now there, in some cases, you might be able to like add the destination tag as well if you're doing any other currency transfer or any other coin transfer. So make sure to enter the destination tag as well and just click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, you will be able to see like all those details, like from this account to this account, like the amount as well. And this is the wallet where you are sending, a network fee as well, like $0 or $1 withdrawal fee, everything, all those details, and settlement time. If you want to write a note, you can just write it down as well and just click on confirm withdrawal. And once you click on confirm withdrawal, all your selected amount will be transferred from your Uphold account to your Kraken wallet or any other wallet. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.